Good morning, students. Last day we have completed exercise 6.2 and today we are going to start exercise 6.3. Exercise 6.3, the sum related to discount. I think you have heard the word of discount, but do you know what is discount? Suppose any article, some price is printed on the article. The price which is presented on the article, this is said to be mark price. And when the shopkeeper gives some extra rebate over the mark price, that means some amount is deducted from the mark price, that is said to be discount. Let us consider one book is rupees 100 and shopkeeper gives a rebate of 10%. Rebate of 10%, that means 10% of 100, that is rupees 10. This rupees 10, whatever the shopkeeper has given rebate or deduction, that is only the discount. So the discount is equal to mark price minus selling price. Whatever marked, that is the mark price. Extra rebate given, that is the discount. If discount will subtract from the mark price, that will be the selling price. Right? Then let us start the mathematics. Exercise 6.3, question number 1. Find the discount and selling price when mark price is equal to rupees 575 and discount is equal to 12%. Marked price is equal to rupees 575 and discount how much? Discount is equal to 12%. What you have to find? You have to find the discount and mark price. First you find the discount. Discount is equal to 12% means 12 by 100 into mark price, that is 575. Now by 25 you cancel. 25 4 ja 100 and 25 into 23 is equal to 575. Now by 4 you cancel. 4 1 ja 4, 4 3 ja 12. Now discount how much? 3 into 23 is equal to rupees 69. Discount is equal to rupees 69. Now you have to find the selling price, means SP. Selling price is equal to mark price minus discount. Short form I have written. Mark price is equal to 575 and discount is equal to 69. From 575 we subtract 69, then it will be rupees 506. Selling price is equal to rupees 506. This is question number 1, point number 1. Now question number 2, point number 2, find the discount and discount percentage. Question number 1, point number 2, discount and discount percentage. Question number 2, point number 2. It is given advertised price. Advertised price means it is the mark price only. So instead of advertised price we can write mark price. How much it is given? 28,500 rupees. 28,500. And selling price is given. Selling price is equal to rupees 24,510. You have to find the discount and discount percentage. Already I have told you discount is equal to which formula? Just now in the introduction I have told discount is equal to mark price minus selling price. Mark price how much? 28,500. 28,500. And discount how much? 24,510. selling price is equal to 24,510, and discount you find out from this. If you subtract, then you will get your answer 0993. That means discount is equal to rupees 3,990. Now next you have to find the percentage discount. Percentage discount is equal to discount by mark price. Mark price into 100. Discount is equal to 3990. Mark price how much? 28,500 into percentage, that is 100. So 0000 you cancel. Now 285 and 3,990 you cancel by 5. If you cancel by 5, then it will be 57, and this is 7, 9 and 8. Now 57 and 7, 9, 8 direct you can cancel. 1 and 4. So discount rate is equal to 14%. So discount is equal to rupees 390 and discount is equal to 14%. So today your homework you will do exercise 6.3 question number 1, 2 and 3, and along this question, before solving this question, once you go through the introductions of chapter 6.3, first you read the introduction, you try to understand what is mark price, selling price, discount. After that you solve question number 1, 2 and 3. Thank you.